And we're back to learn CapCut in here, day 52. Let me show you how you can animate text movement. It looks the same way as the logo, the image movement that I've shown you in the last video, but I haven't yet talked about text. You can find the text option at the top, and nothing needs to be selected or active for it to be available. For now, just click on the plus sign for default text. We're going to talk about in depth about text in future videos. Resize this element in the timeline, which is now your text element, this orange, almost brownish element. But now you need to be careful to select it. If you have it correctly selected, it says text on the top right. And here you can change the default text, let's say to vlog 175. Make still sure that it's selected and then scroll down under text basic. Because now the transform is not on top anymore, we need to scroll a little bit, make sure the drop down here is open, and there you should find the position. We are at the start point of our clip. I'll create a keyframe and drag it out of frame. I'll go to the right, create a keyframe, so always click on these diamond icons to do that. Set the position to 0 for X, it should snap back to the center. Go forward, create another keyframe, and once more go forward, create another keyframe and drag it out of frame to the right. When you can still see your bounding box, I can actually do that here a little bit. You can just left click here and then use the arrow keys up, and this should move it further to the right, and then we can be sure that the text is outside of frame. Let me roll it. You can see it gets animated from left to center, stays there a little bit, and then from center to right until it vanishes once more. So just like we did it with the logo in the last video. And you can also reposition these keyframes. Between 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, we've got the speed for the movement animation. So if you make these gaps small, it moves faster. And a gap between 2 and 3, this is the duration that it stays in center. So once more, find the transform for text basic, and there you can animate it like any other element in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.